Nearly every day, we use a cutting tool in one way or another, from pocket knives to X-Acto blades and steak knives to saws. While many of these tools are adaptable and highly effective for their given task, there is nothing that stands up to the versatility of a standard pair of scissors. While cutting tools may seem commonplace to adults, children have very limited choices when it comes to these tools. To protect against the more dangerous yet ultimately more effective tools, children are burdened with ineffective safety guards, dull blades, cheap plastic, and a 2-inch blade that is good for little more than small arts and crafts. When faced with these shortcomings, kids are much more likely to resort to sharper adult scissors, where injury is much more common. There are approximately 16,000 cutting tool-related injuries every year in children under the age of 10, and children aged 6 to 12 make up 22% of all scissor-related injuries. That's more than double any other age bracket. My primary research into this subject, which included interviews and surveys sent to PTA organizations, elementary schools in the area, and family and friends with younger children, confirmed my initial findings through concrete data on injury rates and scissor usage. After conducting surveys and interviews, I then shadowed 4 to 5-year-olds in a scissor workshop. Through this, I could observe the earliest stages of motor skill development and got to see how that affected tool use. Ultimately, these research methods led me to conclude that in order to lower injury rates, a tool that is safer yet maintains the same level of usability must be implemented. Children's products are innately more challenging to design. There are a great deal of user needs to consider: approachability, durability, ease of use, but most importantly, safety. When designing a children's product, safety is always paramount, so much so that products will sacrifice all other traits to ensure the child's safety. In my early sketches, I focused heavily on this aspect. Many of my models and later development drawings culminated safety and ease of use into a guard on a normal pair of adult scissors. This guard works as an opposing force to the blade itself, only allowing the blade to be visible when the scissors are in use. Even at a young age, we choose our tools based on their function. In the world of cutting tools, greater functionality often means greater risk of danger. But the question I'm hoping to answer is, does it need to?